Hello and welcome to Premier Study in Investing. It's great to have you. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for joining me. Well, Q2 2023 is over. We were able to grab those prices and build in an updated Excel portfolio tracker. So you've seen this before. I'll leave the links for the Patreon tier for this, as well as the link for the full site if you want to do something more than just these general ETFs. But for those of you who haven't seen this before, we take the 11 sectors, we add in an extra gold and large indices grouping, and then we have four different bond funds that we consider. And so you can see some of the annualized returns here on the left: energy, materials, industrials, consumer discretionary. And what do I have this set at? Okay, so I guess I'll just show you what there is here. If you're looking for 13% expected return, 14.83% standard deviation, you'll walk away with a Sharpe ratio of 0.60686. And what that'll end up putting you in is 48% in gold, which is kind of interesting because I had a friend who told me that there was a lot of podcasters who like to do a lot of fear and then come back and then have like affiliates or sponsors for their channel who are always selling gold. And so that was the whole gimmick that and I can't remember, it was more like political podcasters that had a tendency to do this. Well, anyways, with the 5-year look-back period using monthly data, gold seems to have a positive return and probably a low correlation with some of these other sectors. And then, of course, no surprise, a big chunk of money if we don't put any restrictions on these sectors like we talk about in the walkthrough video, which is linked here. If we don't put any caps on those, then 51, almost 52% in a tech ETF called VGT. It had average annual returns 16.66%. So it's really high. So obviously that's not a very diverse portfolio just to have basically half of your money in a technology ETF, and of course a lot of that was affected by recent prices, right, and the whole AI boom and all of that, machine learning. And then gold really hasn't, I guess over the 5-year period has done pretty well, but still can't quite, I don't believe even as of the making of this video, break out over 2,000 an ounce. So well, anyways, that's kind of value at risk and just some of the same things, but basically more than a walkthrough. If you want the walkthrough, there's a link here, or you can just see it. It's in the YouTube channel. It has a guy walking up 3 steps. It says portfolio management in 3 steps. So anyways, but this is just more of an announcement that this is out for the Patreon folks. And well, thanks so much. Hope you're having a good weekend. All right, thanks so much. Bye.